Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me again, Barry J. So for today's vlog is very exciting because may natanggap akong pinaka-importanteng bagay dito sa YouTube. At walang iba kundi ang Google Adsense. Yay! Yes po. But before we continue this vlog, so if bago ka lang sa channel ko, please like and kalimbangin or hit the notification bell down below para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko dito sa YouTube. So, yan. And then, ito lang yung pagka-comeback dito sa YouTube, yung pag video na ganito. Kasi I was busy this past few days, so kaya wala ako mga new content. So and then today, earlier, mga afternoon yata, dumating yung Google Adsense ko dito sa bahay namin. So door to door, care of our good friend from the Cebu Post Office. So yeah, mabuting tao si Mang Jerry. Nag-work sa post office. So na namin siya kasi yung mom ko, friend din niya. Then before that also, kapag may mga transaction sa post office, my mom always called him or like told him something na like if meron kaming name dyan, so paki-deliver na lang dito. So guys, I'm so happy talaga kasi matagal ko na itong hinihintay. So as a YouTuber, so lahat ng YouTuber ay may ganito kasi if wala kayong ganito, you cannot get your salary sa YouTube. So guys, ito na yun. Oops. Ayan, Google AdSense slip ko. Wow, I'm so happy. Google AdSense slip. See? May stampa. And may address pa din sa likod. So I won't show na lang kasi sensitive yung mga address. May address ako dito as ka sa saan ito ngang galing. So yan nga, sabi dito sa Google AdSense. So we have to remove sides dito, remove side edges first. So if magtanggalan na, ganitohin mo lang sa gilid. Parang parang ATM kapag may may new ATM yung card. If you want to register or change PIN, so parang you need to open something. So kagaya din ng PIN ang Google AdSense. So paano ba ito gagawin? So we need this one para ilagay sa YouTube account natin para ma-verify yung name, yung address kung saan tayo nakatira, kung saan pinadala itong sulat, yung Google AdSense dito. Then para din makuha nating salary sa YouTube. So in my case, hindi pa siya enough to get salary, pero on its way na. So hopefully 2 months or 1 month from now, I can get my salary na sa YouTube, my first salary. So good thing, actually right timing talaga ang pagdating ni Google AdSense. At saka I didn't expect talaga na I can get Google AdSense kasi hindi ko pinangarap na mag-YouTuber rather. So yun nga, yung mga friends ko nag-offer sa akin, so like you have to do this kasi panay ang travel mo, so you can share something. Actually bad thing lang kasi like the first time I travel, I didn't vlog anything kasi it was my first time. I didn't expect that I could go the distance. I mean, you mean like I didn't expect na I can travel almost not all countries, but some of the countries here in Southeast Asia. So kaya nga, yung friend ko, they advise me na you need to do vlogging. So kaya nga may vlog ako. Tapos I started officially vlogging last December 2019 sa China. So I went to Korea and I started filming, but before that as well, I also did like I took videos within China, like how to go to my work, meet my coworkers and everything. So talagang pinagplanuhan ko talaga from the beginning. And after a year after, so dumating na nga yung Google Adsense. So I'm very happy talaga. So guys, to all small YouTuber out there na gusto mag-YouTube, so keep going lang po, huwag kayong mahiya. Kapag may nagsabi nyo, hindi namin gusto yung content mo, actually, it's part of YouTuber career na meron talagang mga taong hindi gusto sa content nyo, but focus lang kasi hindi naman sa isang tao mo lang yung ginagawa, para naman yan sa lahat. Ang importante lang, you can share to them what you have learned, and also if you can make other people happy, you can also do that by sharing your happy thing or your goals in life, so like that. At saka push na ng push, so someday ma-achieve nyo rin yan. And then also becoming a YouTuber, of course it needs talaga like more content, like upload videos para maisip talaga ni YouTube na siya, persistent siya sa pag-make ng YouTube videos. So yun nga, so I got this one earlier. I'm so happy talaga. My Google AdSense. So actually, itong paper na to, pagkatapos ko itong gamitin, I will laminate this one. Laminate talaga kasi parang award ito, parang first award ko to. Parang susunod yata, I think I can get silver play button. Oo, dream ko lang yun, but I don't know, someday. But yeah, just step by step lang. So yung goal ko talaga nga gumamit ng YouTube, or I use YouTube because of inspiring people. Yun lang. And everything, inspiring people, share my travel, my plans, and everything. So, yun nga yung mga gusto kong dapat gawin, at wala na din iba. So, I love doing YouTube, so I hope I can do more. Sa mga supporters ko, please keep supporting me. And if may bashers din ako in the near future, or may bashers naman din yata. So, just keep bashing. So, thank you so much po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa akin. Ito yung natanggap ko dahil sa mga YouTube supporters ko. I got this one. So, thank you talaga. And I hope guys you will enjoy watching my videos here on YouTube. So, again, it's me, Barry J. So, please hit the subscribe button. Okay? So, thank you po sa lahat. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.